those of you guys who are just finding my channel, if you guys are just finding my channel, or you guys do watch my videos all the time but you guys aren't subscribed, can you guys please make sure that you guys are subscribed? Please like my videos, comment on them, do the post notifications, all that good stuff, because I like when you guys interact with my videos and show love and stuff. So just bring all the love in. I'm loving it. I just want all the love, so please just bring it in to me. So basically, I'm gonna just get straight into the video like I always do, because I don't ever have anything really to talk about in the beginning. I just wanted to get that part out there and let you guys know that I like when you guys interact with my channel, so please do so if you guys can. I would really appreciate that, please. So basically, as you guys can see by the title, this video is going to be about my vision board for 2019, what I plan on manifesting, what I am going to manifest, what I am going to do, the goals that I am going to achieve, just all the greatness that's going to happen for me in 2019. I just want to share all that with you guys, all that good stuff. So we're going to get straight into the vision board. Don't look at the back because it went through a whole lot making this. As you guys can see, I went through a lot trying to make this. The front look like this too at first until I put all these decorations on here. Oh, see. But yeah, so it went through a lot until I got this little cute thing right here. This is so cute. This is my masterpiece. I worked really hard on this. So me and my sister, my nieces and nephews, we all did our vision boards today. Well, we started doing them the other day, but we never finished them because it just wasn't working out. So we ended up finishing them today, and I was like, I'm gonna finish it today because I'm gonna get this video out today, because I said it in my last Get Ready With Me. I said I'm gonna do my little vision board 2019 video, so I'm getting that out the way before I forget, and before I want to do it before January is over, because that's still like the beginning of the year basically. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, anyways, you can do your vision board also in February, March, whenever you want to do it, because in 2017 I did my vision board in like September, just the things that I wanted to accomplish. Even in 2018 I did it really late, just the things that I want to accomplish for the rest of the year and get done for the rest of the year. Mine's is for the whole entire year, from January all the way to December, all the way to next January basically. So it's just whatever. It doesn't even have to start in the beginning of the year. You can do your vision board for however long you want to do it, whatever time frame. It could be a 1 year vision board, 3-month vision board, 1 week, 5 years, just however long you want to do it. Whatever goals you want to set for yourself, just do it. Just make the vision board, because when you make the vision board, it makes everything come true for you, as long as you're praying on it, as long as you're looking at it, because when you're looking at it, it's gonna make you remember, like, oh, I gotta get this done. So it's gonna make you manifest. Like I got manifest right here. You're gonna manifest all these things into your life. So just whenever you get time, just do your vision board, and all this stuff is gonna come to you. I promise it will. So basically I put a whole lot on here. You guys can even see like it's a bunch of like little writing everywhere and stuff too, so it's gonna be a lot to get through. So I'll probably just start from the sign, from the title, and move on this way. Okay, so let me try to get closer. Okay, so the title I did 2019, of course, because this is my vision board for the entire 2019. In the middle I printed out, and you can print out like a bunch of pictures. As you guys can see, I printed out a bunch of stuff also just to bring a little extra jazz to it. If you don't want to print out pictures, you don't have to. Just get your goals on the paper. That's the whole goal of the vision board, is just to get all of your goals on there together. If you want to decorate it like I did, do it that way. If you don't have to. Just get it on there. So I printed out this little thing right here. It was supposed to be like a man cutting out a paper that says I can't do it, and they was cutting out the part that says T right there, but I ended up cutting it too small, so you couldn't really tell that those are scissors and stuff. So I had to just put a little X over the T just to show the picture how it was supposed to be printed out. So it says I can do it, because you can do anything that you want to do. So actually, I'll go through all the pictures first, and then I'll go through the smaller stuff, because the pictures stand out more than everything. So this right here is a picture of an apartment with floor-to-wall ceilings. This is my dream apartment, to have an apartment with floor-to-wall ceilings, something that I will be financially stable enough to afford, something that I'm going to feel like is my home. Just, just something that's just good for me, something that I envision. And when you dream, you want to dream big. So this is me dreaming big. The next picture I have right here is just a big word that says manifest, because I'm going to be manifesting all 2019. I've been manifesting already, but this is just something that I want to stand out, because I want to remind myself manifest is the key to everything. You want to manifest all the greatness into your life. Then right here, this was like a little sticker, those kind of stickers that you put on walls and stuff. It says adventures, and also put right here, travel in and out of the country. So basically this is me wanting to travel. I want to do me and my best friend, we made this goal to travel at least 5 times this year. So it doesn't matter where. Well, I do have a couple places in mind. I know I do for sure. I want to travel to New York. I want to travel to Atlanta. I want to travel to Texas. I want to travel to basically all like the big main states and the United States. And then I also want to go out of the country, like to the Bahamas. I don't know where else, but I just know I want to get out there, get out of California, see what else is out there. So for sure, adventures and traveling, that's a big thing on my board for this year. Then right here, I printed out this meme, and it says that moment when you make your last car payment. And this is my goal right here, because since I'm under 25, you know, when you're under 25, your insurance is high, everything is higher. So I'm paying a car note plus a high insurance. I'm trying to get my car paid off. So whatever I do, the goals that I manifest is going to help me to pay off my car this year. And yeah, so this is a big one for me, because this is my first time really like getting into paying bills and serious bills and doing things on my own. And this is a struggle right here. This car, this is a struggle. So I'm paying this car off. I don't care what I gotta do. I'm paying off my car this year, because I can't do it. I can't do it no more. So then I printed out another little wall sticker right here, and it says love really big. I just want to have love within myself, love within my family, a loving relationship. I just want to have love all over, and I think this basically speaks for itself. Just love all around. This picture right here is of course the YouTube the YouTube play button. And in the middle of it, I wrote 100,000 subscribers, because that is a goal that I have for this year. 100,000 subscribers or more. So this is something that I know for sure I'm going to reach. And if I can get anything higher than that, I will be truly grateful. That will be a big blessing for me. So, yeah. Then right here I have a picture of, I don't know if you guys watch her on YouTube, her name is Saria Jade, and I love her curls. They're really pretty to me. She has like those perfect like ringlet curls. So I want to get my hair super duper healthy, and I want to grow my hair out. And on here I put bra strap length or longer, because that's always my length to get to the bottom of my bra strap or longer. So I know for sure I'm gonna get to this goal this year. I just have to focus on my hair, because I always have the potential to get my hair length that I want to, but then I start slacking and then I forget about it, and it just always goes bad. So I'm gonna really try my hardest to focus on my hair this year, all year long, without slacking, and I think I'll get to this goal. And then oh, the last picture right here I have up here is money. And it says $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month is always been my dream goal, my dream financial goal for life, period. I just want to make $10,000 a month. I think that I can do it. I know that I'm capable of doing it. So why not put that on my vision board? You know, it's my big goal. This is what I'm going to do, what I want to do in life. And yes. Oh, now let me get to like the little words that I wrote, just like the smaller goals. It is to be healthy. I want to have a healthier lifestyle, start eating healthier, cut out most of the junk food that I eat, because I know I can't cut out 100% of junk food, just because I don't know how you guys cut out 100% of junk food. Like, I have to have junk food somewhere in my life, but just cut it down to the bare minimum, and eat at least like 90%, 80% healthy food, and the rest could be junk food, whatever else I could fit in there. Then I put working a 9 to 5, and I put a big X over that, because anybody who knows me knows that I'm not meant to be working this 9 to 5 job. I'm not meant to work at a place where I have to clock in and out, because I don't like to follow rules. I like to be the boss. I want to be the boss. I'm creative. I like to create my own rules, create my own things, and just be creative in my career. So working a 9 to 5 is not going to be what I'm going to be doing in life. I'm more of the boss, so that's why I like to start businesses. I like to just hustle and make money my own way instead of working a 9 to 5. So this is why it's a big X over this, because it's not for me. It's cut out. And then this right here, it says be happy always, because I tend to get down on myself a lot. I tend to try to stay happy, but then after a while I start to overthink things, and then it makes me get down on myself and make me feel more bad. So my goal is to be happy always and not let the negativity affect me. The next one I have is strong faith. And I already have a strong faith, but I want my faith to get stronger. I want to get closer to God, just as strong as I can get, keep it as strong as I can get. I feel like I'm close to God because I'm praying all day long. I pray literally like 5 times a day. And I talk to God all day. It's just, I feel like I'm really close to God, but I just want to get closer in a way. Learn more, just get closer overall. And then right here, this is a fit body. This tags along with me being healthy, because me being healthy, that means I want to start exercising more also. So I want to have a nice fit body. And yeah, this right here, I don't know if I'm gonna honestly get this in 2019. This is a push, but I'm gonna give me some veneers, because when people get those veneers in their teeth be looking nice and perfect, and I just want $1 million smile. So I'm gonna give you some veneers. I honestly don't know this is gonna happen in 2019. This is probably pushing it a little bit, but you know, you gotta dream big. Like the $10,000 a month, I'm dreaming it big. Like the apartment, I'm dreaming big. You have to just dream big. Paying off my car note, dream big. So I've said, let me put my veneers on there too. I'm putting my veneers on there. I'm gonna get veneers. What's another one? Oh, business owner down here. Like I said, I don't want to work a 9 to 5 anymore. I'm not going to work a 9 to 5 anymore. I'm going to be a business owner. I started a business already. It's honestly under construction again, because when I put it out there and I started it, I didn't have all the tools I needed. I didn't have the correct mindset. I didn't have it all together. So basically I'm trying to revamp it now and get it back together and start it over the way that I want it to be started over. So if people who know that I had a business and they think like, oh, I just gave up on it, I didn't just give up on it. I'm just regenerating my brain, just trying to figure it back out, figure out how I can do it better. Because like I said, I want to be perfect at my craft, and I want to perfect everything and do it really good. So that's just me having it under construction right now. But in 2019, it's going to be back up and running, and it's going to be great and amazing. So yeah. Oh, right here, it says no more really big, and these are all the stuff that I want to get rid of. It says no more procrastinating, no more stressing, no more worrying, no more negativity, and no more 9 to 5. So these are things that I want to cut out completely out of my life. And then patience right here. I have patience. I put patience because I'm a big dreamer, as you guys can see by this vision board. Like, I dream really big, and I'm really passionate about the stuff that I want in life. And after a week, if it's not there, then I start to get impatient when I know exactly what to do. It's just not there yet. I get really impatient on myself, and then I start stressing out on myself, and that's where all the procrastinating, stressing, worrying, and negativity, where that all comes into play. So I need to learn to just have patience and know that it's going to come to me, and know that I shouldn't worry or anything. That just be patient, girl. It's gonna come. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. It's in your hands already. Yeah, that's everything that I have on my vision board. I thought I had a lot more. It seemed like it was. I mean, this is kind of a lot, but I mean, you know, dream big. Like I said, you always gotta dream big. So, yeah, I'm really proud of my vision board. I'm gonna put it up on one of my walls. It doesn't really go with my room, honestly. Like, it's gonna kind of mess it up a little bit. So I'm gonna put it somewhere where I can see it every day still, but it's not gonna mess up I could put it down there in that smaller wall. Yeah, I'll put it up there, because I ain't trying to mess up the decor in my room. But I mean, I have to look at it every day, and I need to look at it every day so that it'll work out for me. Yeah, so basically 2019 is gonna be a great year for me, because I am in the better mindset. I am in a 100,000 times better place than I was in 2018, 2017, 2016. Those 2017 especially, those was not some good years for me. And it's okay that those weren't good years, because that molded me into having the mindset that I have now, and it molded me into being ready to conquer the world, ready for whatever 2019 has for me, because it's going to be a great year for me. I know it is. And yeah, so basically that's the end of my video. That's all I really wanted to talk about and let you guys know. If you guys want to me to do any other videos on this kind of topic. Let me know if you guys actually like this. I know I do not talk clearly. Like, I be trying to explain stuff, but it just doesn't come across well all the time, just because I can barely talk. Like, I don't know, like, I be thinking, I know what I want to say in my head, but when it come out, it just come out like, whoa, like, I cannot really talk that good. As you guys can see, if you guys watch all my videos, you guys will know. But if you guys want to know, like, what I do to manifest, what I do to stay calm, what I do to, just basically what I'm doing with this whole, like, law of attraction thing, and just keeping my peace, just ready to manifest anything, just all this positive energy that I'm putting out and I'm bringing into myself. Like, if you guys want to know more about that stuff, then let me know. If this wasn't interesting to you guys, let me know also. I'm still gonna put it out just because I want to put it out, but if this is something that you guys are interested in, then let me know, because I got a lot more. I could talk about this stuff all day long. Okay, I can try to answer as much, because I'm still learning about it at the same time. So, like, I can try to answer as much questions as I can that you guys have. But yeah, so just let me know and we can work something out. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to post notifications on the comments, likes, all that good stuff. And yeah, help me get to my goal of 100,000 subscribers or more. So tell your friends, tell their friends to watch this video.
Baby, I didn't really know about you first. You caught my attention, how did I forget to mention?